Welcome back to Forestry Pulse, the channel where we bring you the raw power, skill, and technology of the logging industry. In this first scene, we witness the incredible strength of a green logging truck as it makes its way up a steep mountain road carrying a heavy load of timber. But what makes this moment even more fascinating is the teamwork between machines. A bulldozer follows closely behind, providing extra support by pushing the truck when the climb becomes too steep. Here we see a log truck equipped with an advanced inbuilt crane, designed to handle heavy timber with ease. As the truck stops, the operator carefully maneuvers the crane to lift the logs one by one and set them neatly onto the ground. Each log is lifted smoothly, reducing the time and labor that would normally be required. Instead of needing extra machinery for unloading, this all-in-one design gives the truck both transport and handling power. After the logs are fully unloaded, the operator demonstrates another clever feature. The crane is also used to lift and secure the truck's back wheel set onto the vehicle, saving space and making the truck ready to move again. Would you like to operate such a truck with an inbuilt crane? Drop a comment and let us know if you trust yourself with handling such a powerful machine. Now, we move to a forwarder equipped with a firewood making machine, a setup that shows how versatile forestry equipment can be. This machine doesn't just transport logs, it processes them into usable firewood right in the field. It's fascinating to see how much work can be done with a single vehicle. The inbuilt crane plays a major role here, lifting and arranging the logs before feeding them into the processor. With careful movements, the operator ensures each piece of wood is managed correctly, keeping the process smooth and efficient. This type of setup saves significant time, as the firewood is prepared directly on site instead of being transported for processing elsewhere. It reduces transportation costs and makes forestry operations more streamlined. What do you think? Would you prefer working with this kind of advanced forwarder, or do you like the traditional way of processing wood separately? Comment your opinion below. In this clip, a fully loaded log truck takes on the challenge of maneuvering a sharp bend on a mountain road. The road is narrow, the slope is steep, and the weight of the logs makes the journey even more risky. It's a moment where every move counts, and the driver's skill becomes the deciding factor. The truck edges forward slowly, and you can almost feel the tension as it balances its heavy load. The bend is tight, requiring careful steering and perfect timing to avoid slipping or tipping over. Forestry operations in mountainous terrain often demand this level of precision. Without experienced drivers, it would be nearly impossible to transport logs safely in such conditions. Next, we see a striking blue tree harvester at work, one of the most advanced machines in modern forestry. With its powerful cutting head, it quickly grips and slices through trees, then processes them into smaller, manageable pieces in seconds. The speed and precision are simply incredible to watch. We go back in time with an older log truck and a bulldozer working together in a dry forest. The contrast with modern machines is clear. Yet the power and reliability of these older models are still impressive. They may not look as advanced, but they get the job done. The log truck carries a heavy load across dusty, uneven ground, struggling at times with traction. That's when the bulldozer steps in, pushing and helping the truck move forward. This kind of footage reminds us of the roots of the logging industry. Before today's advanced harvesters and cranes, these were the machines that kept forests moving and timber flowing. In this clip, we see a powerful Volvo log truck at work, equipped with its own inbuilt crane. The operator carefully maneuvers the crane to pick up heavy logs and load them onto the truck bed. The precision here is incredible. Each log is lifted smoothly, showing the strength and engineering of the crane. Volvo trucks are well known for their durability and efficiency, and this scene is a perfect example of why they are trusted in forestry operations. The combination of transport power and lifting capability makes the truck a valuable all-in-one solution for moving timber. As the truck fills up with logs, we can appreciate both the operator's skill and the truck's design. Every movement is controlled, steady, and safe. This balance between man and machine is at the heart of logging success. Would you enjoy operating a Volvo log truck with its own crane? Comment below and let us know if you trust yourself with such an important job. Here, we watch a green forwarder making its way through a challenging mud road while carrying a full load of timber. The conditions are tough, the ground is soft, slippery, and unpredictable. Yet the forwarder pushes through with confidence, showing just how capable these machines are in forestry environments. Forwarders are specially designed for terrain like this. Their large wheels, strong engines, and heavy-duty frames give them the traction and stability they need to cross muddy, uneven roads. Next, we see a timberjack or skidder in action, pulling heavy logs through the forest. Skidders are built for this very task, and the timberjack proves its power as it drags massive timber with ease. The strength of the machine is clear with every pull. The forest floor is rough, filled with obstacles like stumps, branches, and uneven ground. But the skidder handles it all, maintaining traction and stability. Its rugged tires and strong frame are made to survive these conditions, ensuring the logs reach their collection point safely. What makes this moment exciting is the sheer raw power of the skidder. Unlike forwarders or trucks, it doesn't carry logs, it drags them. In this clip, we witness a bulldozer carving its way through the forest, clearing trees and debris to create a road. The power of the bulldozer blade is unmatched. It pushes through soil, roots, and branches with incredible force. Road building is one of the most critical parts of forestry operations. Without roads, trucks and other machines cannot transport timber out of the forest. Bulldozers are some of the toughest machines in the forestry industry, designed for heavy pushing and lifting tasks. The Tiger Cat skidder on your screen is an absolute beast of the forest. Built for power and endurance, this machine comes with 8 massive tires that allow it to move through rough and muddy terrain with confidence. Watching it in action, you can instantly tell that this is not an ordinary logging machine. It's a purpose-built powerhouse designed to tackle the toughest jobs in forestry. Skidders play a vital role in the logging industry. Their main job is to pull or skid felled trees out of the forest to a landing area where they can be processed and loaded. With its strong grapple and reliable traction, this Tiger Cat ensures that even the heaviest loads of timber can be transported quickly and efficiently. The 8 tires not only provide excellent stability but also help distribute the machine's weight, minimizing damage to the forest floor. The harvester not only cuts but also strips branches and sizes logs according to need. What would take hours by hand is accomplished in just minutes by this machine. It's an amazing display of how far technology has taken the logging industry.
Han hade gått som demo, han hade gått 300 timmar ungefär och nu har han gått nästan 4000 på 1,5 år. Han går 2 skift. Han har gått väldigt bra faktiskt överlag. Det är mest tankning och smörjning och påfyllning av tågkedjeolja, AdBlue och sådana där saker. En John Deere-motor, en 9 liters tror jag väl. 305 hästkrafter var det in. Ja, det är jättebra. Jag gillar det här konceptet, man har kranen framför sig. Det gör jag. Ja, med slänt, brant, nerför eller uppe, man når lite längre.
The operator controls the harvester with great skill, moving smoothly from tree to tree without wasting time. Every action is planned, making sure each log is cut cleanly and efficiently.
Det är ju en vanlig sak också.
Now, we see a blue forwarder working on a steep mountain slope, one of the toughest environments for forestry machines. Despite the incline, the forwarder drives steadily, showing its excellent balance and power. With its inbuilt crane, the forwarder collects trees one by one, lifting and arranging them carefully on its load space. The operator's precision is key here, as the steep slope makes every movement more difficult. Yet the forwarder handles it all without losing control. Mountain logging is some of the most challenging work in the industry. Machines need to be strong, stable, and flexible to deal with narrow paths, steep slopes, and heavy loads. This forwarder is clearly built for the job. Finally, we watch the HMS 805 machine in action, working efficiently in a large log field. This machine is designed for heavy processing and handling, and it doesn't disappoint. The speed and power on display are impressive. The HMS 805 moves through the field with confidence, grabbing logs and processing them quickly. Its design allows it to handle large amounts of timber in a short time, making it a key asset for high-volume logging operations. Machines like this are built for both strength and efficiency, reducing the need for multiple steps in handling logs. By combining functions, they help streamline the entire forestry process.
Jawohl, passt schon, gut ist.
Watching the HMS 805, it's easy to see how important specialized equipment is for modern forestry. Every detail of the machine is designed to maximize productivity and reduce labor. What's your opinion? Do you prefer watching heavy machines like the HMS 805, or do you enjoy smaller, more versatile forestry equipment? Drop your answer in the comments below. That's all for today's journey into the world of forest machines. We've seen trucks, skidders, bulldozers, and harvesters working together to keep the logging industry moving. Each machine has its own role, and together they make this tough job possible. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Forestry Pulse for more incredible clips from the logging world.